Well, we have a loaded weather menu tonight. You see our temperatures are fairly standard, but they are moving down. But it's the clouds that we are noticing at present, because those clouds are going to keep our temperatures where they are right now, a little bit lower, down only to 39 degrees for the overnight low. That's a little bit warmer than normal, but those wind gusts are going to be up to 20 miles per hour tonight, overnight, and that's just part of the story. Let's give you the headlines first tonight. It's going to be very windy tomorrow, so we're going to have some wind-related driving issues and maybe some loose tree branches to watch out for. And we're going to have rain, but it's going to be very scattered, and it certainly isn't going to solve the 3-month deficit as far as moisture in east central Illinois. And then it's going to turn cold, and that cold weather eventually will stick around. But the key component, at least to start out with, the mild temperatures and the winds. Our wind gusts tomorrow in the morning, right around sunrise, the winds are coming up from the southeast at up to 30 miles per hour. And then we get to the noon hour and the gusts are going to be up to 40 miles an hour, and it doesn't change. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, gusts up to 40 miles an hour, and that proceeds throughout the evening. So that's an all-day thing tomorrow. Actually, it lasts into Wednesday, and you'll notice then a change in the wind direction. It's on this screen coming from the west, and in the future it'll be coming down from the northwest. That'll be indicative of colder temperatures. Finally, the winds start to normalize as far as those gusts on Thursday morning. Wind chill values, not much of a problem for tomorrow morning at all with that overnight low at 39, but look at Wednesday's wind chills. They are back down into the teens. Now, we've been in this ballpark earlier this year, so you all know how to dress for the weather, so please do so for tomorrow. Actually, it's not tomorrow so much as the next day, but let's talk about tomorrow, which will bring us into Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow morning, 45 degrees as we open up with sunrise. At 12 noon, clouds in and out. We're almost up to 60 degrees by the noon hour, and the temperatures will stay there throughout the afternoon tomorrow. But those winds up to 40 miles per hour consistently. Futurecast will tell us the sky condition, and you do see pockets of clarity, and then you see pockets of this. Clouds, and with a few pockets of possible precipitation, and there's a little more than less at times as we move into the late afternoon, and then you see some intensity pick up. This will be running through Effingham, Casey, Paris. This indicates on our screen the possibility of a thunderstorm or two tomorrow in the evening. And that finally moves out of the area and it's back to clear skies, but by then it's going to be much colder. Those winds from Tuesday are from the south, and that's nice, but the winds change direction. Wednesday, winds from the northwest bring us down to 34 degrees for the high on Wednesday, 38 degrees for the high on Thursday, and this puts us well below the averages for this time of year. And we're basically looking like winter as we enter meteorological winter December 1st on Thursday.